stuck in Bournemouth because of the high winds and weather. Absolutely atrocious. But look what's on near the pier. Thought I'd post this up. Look at the radio. Don't get done for copyright. Wow, that's stunning. Nice guy who owns it. Get on, Jimmy. Oh, that's made my day. So we're stuck up here an extra night. Seen the football last night. Oh wow, let's take a look at the sea. Mrs. Coco. It is crazy. All the roads are blocked going home, so we're stuck. It says Boscombe here, innit? That is crazy. There's matey on the beetle. Right, with that, stunning. See you on the next one. Cheers.